Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Engine bearings. The science that keeps your motor running smoothly. Engine bearings play a crucial role in the intricate mechanics of internal combustion engines. Understanding the science behind engine bearings is essential for automotive enthusiasts and professionals alike. These bearings serve as pivotal components in reducing friction, supporting moving parts, and ensuring the longevity and efficiency of the engine. By looking into the world of engine bearings, enthusiasts can unravel the mechanisms that contribute to optimal engine performance. This knowledge not only empowers individuals to maintain and repair engines effectively but also aids in enhancing overall vehicle functionality and reliability. So, what makes engine bearings such a game changer in the automotive realm? Stay tuned as we dive into the fascinating details of engine bearings and explore how they shape the very heartbeat of our beloved machines. Understanding engine bearings. Engine bearings play a crucial role in the smooth operation of a combustion engine by reducing friction and supporting moving parts under immense pressure and loads. Let's see the specifics of main bearings, rod bearings, and camshaft bearings to understand their contributions to engine functionality. Main bearings. Main bearings are essential components that provide support to the engine crankshaft and distribute the loads generated during the engine's operation. These bearings come in various designs, including journal bearings and ball bearings, each serving a specific purpose in maintaining proper alignment and reducing wear and tear on the crankshaft. Proper alignment of the crankshaft is crucial for optimal engine performance and longevity. Rod bearings. Rod bearings connect the piston to the crankshaft, transmitting motion and power between the two components. The materials used in rod bearings, such as tri-metal alloys or aluminum alloys, are carefully selected to withstand high temperatures and pressures while ensuring minimal friction for smooth operation. Proper lubrication is critical for rod bearings to prevent metal-to-metal contact and extend their lifespan. Camshaft bearings. Camshaft bearings support the camshaft and play a vital role in controlling the valve timing for efficient engine operation. These bearings face challenges such as high-speed rotations and variable loads, requiring robust construction and precise tolerances to ensure smooth camshaft operation. Maintaining proper lubrication is crucial for camshaft bearings to prevent premature wear and maintain consistent valve timing. Understanding the functions and characteristics of main bearings, rod bearings, and camshaft bearings is fundamental to grasp the complexity of engine systems. Each type of bearing contributes uniquely to the overall performance and durability of the engine, making them indispensable components in the heart of automotive applications. The science behind engine bearings. Friction and wear. Friction and wear. Friction plays a crucial role in engine bearings, affecting wear and heat generation. Engine bearings are engineered to minimize friction and wear by carefully selecting materials and surface finishes. By reducing friction, bearings enhance efficiency and engine performance, ultimately prolonging the lifespan of the engine. Lubrication systems. Lubrication systems are vital in engine bearings as they create a protective film between moving parts, preventing direct metal-to-metal contact. Various lubricants are utilized in engine bearings to optimize engine efficiency. These lubricants ensure smooth operation, reduce friction, and dissipate heat effectively, contributing to the overall performance of the engine. Material science in bearing manufacturing. Material science plays a critical role in the development of engine bearings with superior strength, heat resistance, and wear characteristics. Advanced materials such as babbitt, aluminum, and tri-metal alloys are employed in bearing manufacturing to enhance durability and performance. These materials undergo rigorous testing and innovation to meet the demanding requirements of modern engines. In the realm of engine bearings, the synergy between friction, lubrication, and material science is pivotal. By implementing cutting-edge technologies and leveraging material advancements, manufacturers can engineer bearings that withstand high temperatures, heavy loads, and harsh operating conditions. The quest for excellence continues as engineers strive to develop bearings that are not only resilient but also efficient in optimizing engine performance. Maintenance and troubleshooting. Maintenance of engine bearings is crucial to ensure the longevity and optimal performance of your engine. By following proper maintenance practices, you can prevent common issues such as bearing knock and premature wear patterns. Regular inspection, proper lubrication, and prompt attention to any signs of trouble are key to keeping your engine running smoothly. Regular inspection. Regularly inspecting your engine bearings is essential to catch any potential issues early on. Check for signs of wear, discoloration, or abnormal noises during operation. Make it a habit to inspect the bearings during routine maintenance to catch any problems before they escalate. Proper lubrication. Proper lubrication is vital for the health of your engine bearings. Ensure that you are using the right type of lubricant in the correct amount. Over-lubrication can be as detrimental as under-lubrication, so follow manufacturer recommendations closely. Good lubrication can prevent friction and minimize wear on the bearings. Addressing common issues. If you encounter problems such as bearing knock or unusual wear patterns, it is essential to address them promptly. Ignoring these issues can lead to catastrophic engine failures. Investigate the root cause of the problem, whether it's improper installation, lack of lubrication, or other factors, and take corrective action immediately. Troubleshooting tips. When troubleshooting bearing problems, start by listening for any unusual noises coming from the engine. Look for visible signs of wear or damage on the bearings. Monitor oil pressure and temperature to detect any abnormalities that could indicate bearing issues. If you suspect a problem, enlist the help of a qualified mechanic to diagnose and address the issue before it escalates. By following these maintenance practices and troubleshooting tips, you can ensure the health and reliability of your engine bearings. Regular care and prompt attention to any issues will help you avoid costly repairs and keep your engine running smoothly for years to come. In closing, understanding the intricate science behind engine bearings is not just for the experts but for every vehicle owner seeking to enhance their vehicle's performance and longevity. Engine bearings play a critical role in ensuring a smooth engine operation by reducing friction and supporting the moving parts within the engine. By appreciating the significance of these seemingly small components, you can make informed decisions when it comes to maintenance and optimization for your vehicle. As we've discussed the world of engine bearings, we've revealed how these seemingly small components have a profound impact on the overall performance of an engine. From the materials used to the types of bearings available, there's a lot to consider when it comes to ensuring your engine runs smoothly. By understanding the science behind engine bearings, you can embark on a quest to optimize your vehicle's performance and unlock its full potential. So, next time you start your engine, take a moment to appreciate the role engine bearings play in keeping things running smoothly. With this newfound knowledge, you'll be better equipped to care for your vehicle and ensure it stays on the road for miles to come. We hope you now have a deeper understanding of the critical role engine bearings play in ensuring the smooth operation of your vehicle's motor. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.